I'm recording this video to make you aware about the OneNote books we are going to use in our classes. First, talk about the basic thing required for it is Gmail address. When you create a Gmail account, you get the access to all this world inside it. Next, you register that into Microsoft Word. Look at these familiar things. You already know about Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote. All this is Microsoft Word, okay? Like 365, Microsoft 365, and you have Bing, you have Microsoft Cloud, all these things. New things are also coming, Microsoft 365 Pilot, Copilot, sorry. So this is your world of Microsoft. So when you get the Gmail account, after that you register it into Microsoft. So that also becomes your Microsoft account. Then let's talk about this Google Drive. This is Google Drive. Look at the top left. This is the drive single, which is triangular in nature. Different colors are there. Drive 15 GB is the capacity of this cloud drive. Once you create the account, you get this drive available into your mobile, all the devices, including your computer. Wherever you log in to your account, you can access this drive. It is very good. Okay. Similarly, the way you have Google Drive, similarly you have OneDrive. OneDrive is from Microsoft. Look at the symbol of both. The symbol is dark blue cloud, which is very short, appearing on top or next to where I'm pointing out on the screen. So this is your OneDrive account. This is my OneDrive account. Okay, it has got all these things are sitting. So we create our notes and all our organized classwork and assignments, everything into OneNote because we are online school. So that's why we have to have a platform where we share the things or sync the things together. So this is the next icon. Once you click any notebook, these all are just capital N is written like this symbol. OneNote is there, exactly like PowerPoint, exactly like Word. This is a software OneNote. Okay. So OneNote is available as an application, a standalone application in your desktop, a standalone application in your Apple and Android, iOS devices, all the tablets, everywhere you can have this OneNote. The beauty about OneNote is it allows you to write with the pen, allows you to type, allows you to do number of very powerful options are there. So once you click any of the file here, it opens up OneNote in the web. So this is the web view. And remember, this is Microsoft product. It works with Microsoft OneDrive, not this Google Drive. So you need to have a blue one, dark blue one. In this works. So this is a web view. Web view is not very friendly, but it allows you to work. So I have a standalone application. Look, this is the application. Once you install it in your computer, it appears exactly like Microsoft Word in your computer installed already. Okay. So in this way, you will access the workbook which is dedicated for you, like this one which you are watching right now. It is maths workbook. We have created a whole template for a new student to start their maths work into this notebook. It is exactly the register which we used to have before in our school days. We used to have a bag and each subject used to have a copy. Similarly, this is your maths copy or maths notebook. Okay. How to use it is showing that you have to have a timetable in the notebook, curriculum, weekly planner, and you have chapter onwards, chapter wise sections. So if you look at the high level curriculum, this is downloaded for 2026 from Cambridge website. All the topics, like you look at the yellow headings, there are 9 main topics, main sections, and then you have subsections like types of number, and they are all tagged with E1.1, and they are exactly the way Cambridge, the British curriculum website, officially did. So each of the subsections, like main sections like number is here. The second one, algebra and graphs, is here. So if you get into number, you will see all the subsections in there. Like first one is types of number. So if you go into number, you will find types of number, sets, power, and roots. All these subsections are there. And if you go individual section, you have what it constitutes of, what it consists of is written in there, and you have add pages here. So it either come on the left or the right. You can change into the options. So I've put it on the left side. You add new pages, so the new pages will be added. I'm not more adding because teacher, when they will start, they will add and students will add into this. So each page will cover, like whatever pages it requires, you have to use to cover this course. Okay, once you finish, you go to the next topic, sets. Once you cover this, go to the next topic, power of roots. In this way, you finish all these subtopics until 1.18, which is surds. So look at this, all the surds until covered here, and after that you go to your section number 2. And in this way the whole book is aligned. Past papers and assignments by the teacher will put here, and they will click the button sync, and it will go to everywhere, update to students, update to teachers, update everywhere. Okay, so this is the way we have organized. So I just wanted to tell you how to access this notebook, how to use it. So yeah, how to button, if you read this through, it will teach you exactly what is required in each of the sections inside. All right, thanks very much.